Ever imagined yourself getting up in the morning and finding yourself sitting at the edge of the cliff with your partner and doing absolutely nothing? Ever imagined sipping the first cup of coffee in the morning and hearing to the waves of the sea? Well, if the answer is yes, I have a place that can satisfy all your fantasies and will not hurt your pocket much. So before we proceed, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, consider clicking the subscribe button just below the video. Located in Varkala, around 40 kilometers from the capital city of Trivandrum, Cliff Stories provides accommodation with a restaurant, free parking facility, a garden area and a private beach area. They also have a paid pick-up and drop facility from the airport in case you would like to avail. In our case, we have taken a self-driven car. Rooms at the property are very basic but remarkably clean. Since the property is located on the cliff top overlooking the ocean, you can hear the waves crashing all night. The property offers rooms for solo travelers, group travelers as well as families. The owners take good care of guests and are at the disposal 24/7. The property is managed by a group of enthusiastic youngsters who have set up this entire infrastructure right from the scratch. We had a chance of interacting with one of the owners who have narrated us the story of how they have turned this abandoned property into a tropical paradise. In case you are opting for dinner, it would be served in this cozy capacity that they have downstairs where you can laze around after the dinner. A beautifully decorated boat at the center of the place and a broken window on the top through which the lights are peeking out adds to the beauty of the place. We didn't avail the dinner facility as we had plans for a candlelight dinner at an amazing restaurant near the place named as Little Tibet. In case you are visiting this place with a big group, you can also avail the barbecue facility on request. Breakfast is optional and you can avail the same at a minimal charge of $150 per person. The best part of breakfast is that they will prepare everything as per your suggestion. They predominantly serve Asian breakfast. English breakfast is also served on the request since people from different countries keep on visiting and they might not adjust to the Asian cuisines. Garden area is my favorite part of the property. Great place to sit along with your friends to chill out or to interact with other fellow travelers, predominantly from various parts of the world. Special attraction of the place is the view from courtyard at the cliff. You can walk down the stairs along the cliff and have access to the private beach. Since it is a private beach, it is exceptionally clean, peaceful and quiet, unlike the beaches in Goa or other commercial places. You can easily pick up a chair or a sofa to read the book or soak in the peace or have a snack or a sip of cool drink throughout the day. What makes this place most remarkable is the feeling of safety and independence they provide to all the guests, irrespective of you being a solo traveler or you're traveling with a family or group. It's a highly recommended place from my side for someone who wants to cut them loose from the outside world and just want to relax, unwind and explore themselves. You can book the place through booking.com or Airbnb at a price of around 4,000 rupees per night. But I would recommend you to walk in directly and then negotiate for the price with the owner. You might end up getting it at a cheaper price. Trust me, for the price paid, the experience is completely surreal. If you like the video and you are planning to visit the place, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below. Please stay tuned for many more such content.